Is your organization experiencing an ever-growing pile of help desk tickets for printer issues, thus driving your IT department nuts and distracting them from the bigger picture? In fact, 77% of small and medium-sized businesses said their IT environments have become more complex. And yet, your IT staff is already stretched thin, and one last thing they want to deal with is another stubborn paper jam. Do you want your IT professionals to focus on more important stuff like network security and strategic projects? Well, worry no more. Introducing US Business Systems. A technology company that specializes in print management is just what you need. Our wide range of services include business-class printing devices, experienced service technicians, remote monitoring, and automatic toner replenishment, full print fleet management options, and advanced scanning options, among others. Visit www.usbus.com to learn more about how US Business Systems can alleviate your printing pain.